Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Mango app. So let's get started. First, launch open your Play Store on your mobile device. Now, in the search bar, type in Mango and perform your search. Tap on Mango application. If your application needs any update, you'll be able to see update button instead of open button. Just tap on it and your Mango application will be updated. By updating the app, you can try new features, and this is how you can update Mango application. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.